Hi, I'm Dr. Nicole Vane of Moonlight Beach Dental. One of the things that I'm commonly asked about for my patients that prefer to be more natural is what toothpaste I use. Here at the office, we're a fluoride-free office, and we have a variety of toothpaste you can try here that are fluoride-free, all natural and preservative-free, gluten-free, but actually taste really good and make your mouth feel really clean. I also tell you where you can purchase all of those toothpaste. Some of my more natural patients want to take it even a step further, and they want to have a toothpaste that they know is not only all natural, but that's customized specifically to the needs of their mouth. So some of the suggestions I make for them are on how to cocktail your own natural toothpaste. So some of the ingredients you can put in there, and a lot of this is to taste, or if you had more questions when you come in for your visit, I can help you tailor it to the needs of your mouth. But the first ingredient is coconut oil. So you'll use the coconut oil as a base, which has a lot of healthy enzymes that help protect your gums and teeth. They not only can help the gums fight bacteria, but it also keeps the bacteria from replicating quickly on the teeth. It essentially leaves like a slimy, healthy coating on the teeth after you're done brushing. And that's why oil pulling has become so popular lately. Some of the other ingredients you can add in are a little bit of activated charcoal powder that adds a whitening element to the coconut oil. The only thing I'd caution with using the activated charcoal powder is it's really, really black and it's a little bit more messy. So if you have a white sink at home and you feel like wearing white pajamas when you're brushing your teeth, I might advise being really careful with the activated charcoal or wearing a little bib or a towel over your clothes when you're brushing with it. But it's wonderful for helping whiten your teeth. The other ingredient you can add is, and these are all available at the natural food store, anyone you might go to, is neem powder, N-E-E-M. Neem is a natural antibacterial and antimicrobial that doesn't have much taste, but it'll give you that antibiotic type element to your toothpaste that'll again help if you have really aggressive bacteria in your mouth. One other ingredient you can add to taste are peppermint oil or cinnamon oil that'll help cocktail the toothpaste. I personally need flavoring in my toothpaste. I wouldn't be able to use a lot of these elements without having a little bit of freshness added with the cinnamon or the peppermint oil. So again, that's added to taste. The other thing you'd add to make it a little bit sweeter and make it taste better, especially if you're trying to use it on your children, is xylitol drops. Now, xylitol is a sugar alcohol that bacteria, the sugar-eating bacteria in our mouths can't process. So they eat it and then they essentially die. So the xylitol drops are not only beneficial, again, in keeping the bacteria at bay, but they add a nice natural sweetness. You can add the drops or the powder, and that, again, is to taste. So some of these elements are awesome, and you can find the right toothpaste that works for you. If you want to take it a step even further, you can add a little bit of baking soda. So if you like that scrubbed feel on your teeth or a little bit of pumice texture, the activated charcoal will help with that as well. But the baking soda, the bicarbonate, is very alkaline, so it helps prevent the acidic bacteria that are the most damaging to our teeth from, again, being able to flourish in our mouth. So it tends to neutralize some of those acids in our mouths. So I hope this helps and that you find making natural toothpaste is fun and easy. You can keep it in a jar. You can keep it straight in your bathroom drawer and have one in every bathroom in your house if you like. So if you want to know more about making the toothpaste that's right for you, just feel free to ask me next time you're here for your dental visit.